Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. I hope everybody well and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Good evening all guys. So right now I am living in Bangladesh and at the time I am here keeping some of at the time I am here in front of all of you guys in this chili garden. This is our chili garden in our Bangladesh. You can see this is our green chili garden. I am some of chili, green chili keeping. So you can see our chili garden. This chili is very nice. At the time I am here, this green chili is very. I think this green chili is black, and this chili is green. At the time our house some of chili need. That's why I am here taking some of green chili for our house. So guys, you can see at the time I am here, green chili is keeping on my longi pocket. Right now I am here, green chili keeping on my longi pocket, and this chili is, you can see this environment is very nice, and my backside you can see very wonderful. I think our Bangladesh is, our motherland is very nice, beautiful. You can see guys, I don't like to prolong in this video guys. I will meet all of you next another video. Assalamu alaikum. Have a good time.